sekarang kami sedang melaksanakan operasi di Selat Malaka ini di bawah kendali operasi dari Komandan Gugus Keamanan Laut Koarmada 1. Sekarang kami KRI Karotang sedang melaksanakan bekal ulang di Lanal Lok Sumawe ini. Di sela-sela kegiatan bekal ulang tersebut, kami mencoba untuk melaksanakan latihan menembak di Lanal Lok Sumawe. Nah, latihan menembak itu bertujuan yang terutama untuk meningkatkan dan menjaga kemampuan para prajurit KRI dalam melaksanakan menembak senjata perorangan, yaitu senjata yang kami latihkan di sini ada M4 dan K7 nantinya. Yang miring, yang miring. Tanyaan. Yang pengadaan. Atur Pak. 32.
My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange.
Di sini kami mencoba untuk melatihkan tahap 1 di darat. Nanti pada tahap berikutnya, insya Allah kami akan melaksanakan latihan menembak di laut. Ya, jadi kami berharap dengan adanya latihan ini, para prajurit KRI Karotang semakin familiar dengan senjata perorangannya masing-masing, dan diharapkan nanti saat di laut melaksanakan tembakan dengan baik.
You don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it.